Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you're unable to rename files on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this will hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So typically the message would say file in use. The action can't be completed because the file is open. Close the file and try again. I recommend making sure the program isn't open in the taskbar. And if all else fails, you can just restart your computer and then attempt to rename the file, and that should resolve the problem. That's usually always, what the fix is for that problem. Because the file is already open somewhere else, it's not going to let you change the name of an actively opened file. So pretty straightforward, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.